Hi, I'm Keir. I work in sales, and this is my EBOX Hot LAP.
Hot laps.
Hi, I'm Keir. Right, let's go. Hi, I'm Keir. And this is my EBOX Hot LAP. I'm going to do it in 19 seconds.
Yeah, boy.
Fuck here.
Oh, 24 Keir, mate. Right, Keir, how was your performance?
Oh, could be better.
Better luck next time,
Yeah.
eh? How'd you think of the bike?
Absolutely amazing. It's great, fantastic. It's better than the rider, that's for sure.
Sickhead.
Hi, I'm Keir. I'm fucking hell. Ready?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Keir. I work at Stomp. I'm from Oh, fuck's sake. Hi, I'm Keir. I work at Stomp.